Welcome! We believe that children learn best by doing, being fully engaged, and having fun. To match children's varying interests, abilities, and learning styles, we have developed a multisensory approach to learning that promotes alphabetic knowledge, phonological awareness, book and print concepts, and vocabulary development. Our curriculum and activities are research-driven and aligned to state and national standards. Our interactive storybooks are at the heart of every letter lesson. Filled with vibrant illustrations, delightful sound effects, and engaging music, they capture children's imaginations and keep them coming back to their favorite stories. Children can enjoy each book in read to me mode, with every word highlighted as it is read aloud to support word recognition and reading confidence, or switch to read mode to read together with a parent, or independently as their skills grow. Interactive letter books introduce each letter of the alphabet while building essential early literacy skills. Children hear the target letter sound, learn vocabulary featuring that sound, and develop strong letter sound connections as they explore each interactive
Apple
page.
begins with the letter A. Apple.
Ready to explore everything ABC Twiggles has to offer? Click below to preview all our resources for the letter A for free.